Why do video ads fail, even when they look amazing? Because attention alone doesn't guarantee action. Here are 3 clear reasons. Number 1, views don't equal trust. Number 2, missing local identity. Number 3, underuse of data and AI. What actually works? You need trust-centered marketing, a system that builds credibility, improves targeting, boosts local visibility, and trains AI to bring you the right customers. TechMax can help you turn views into visits. Building more than solutions, building your business. For 22 years, we've partnered with over 2,000 small business owners to turn local dreams into digital success stories. Let's build trust. Let's grow your business. TechMax. Inquire now.